Hello again, everyone. Today we're going to be making mozzarella stuffed chicken parm. I will be adding the link in the description. If you enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click the like button on this video and click on the bell icon if you want to make sure you see when I post new videos. Thanks again, and we're ready to get started. All right, time for the final ratings. In the end, the very picky 12-year-old gave it a 10 out of 10. And then she proceeded to not eat any more of it. So I don't know what that means. The picky eater of the family gave it a 7 out of 10, so that's not too bad. And then the rest of us gave it a 9 out of 10. So all in all, it was a pretty good recipe. It was fairly easy to make. On the messiness scale, it gets a 4 out of 10 just because of all the bowls that I had to get dirty for the egg mixture and the breading. But all in all, a really good recipe. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, please consider subscribing. Click on that little bell icon so that you get notified when I post new videos. I'm doing my best to post one video a week for these cooking videos, and I hope you enjoy them. See you next time.